Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Preparing Your Data for LLM Fine-Tuning. The secret sauce for a smarter AI. Imagine you have a brilliant but general-purpose chef. That's our base LLM. Large language model. It knows a bit about everything but isn't specialized. Fine-tuning is like giving this chef a specialized masterclass. Say, in making only the best Chaitanya's biryani. For this masterclass to work, the textbook, our data, has to be perfectly designed and prepared. This lesson is about crafting that perfect textbook so your AI can become a true specialist. Just like a chef needs ingredients, your AI needs data. This is the raw information you'll use to teach it. For a developer, collecting data means gathering relevant text from various sources. Examples could be customer service chat logs if you want an AI chatbot, product descriptions if you want an AI to write marketing copy, or specific company documents if you want an AI that answers internal questions. The key is to find data that directly relates to the new skill you want your AI to learn. Would you cook with rotten or wrong ingredients? No. Similarly, your AI won't learn well from messy data. Data cleaning is the process of scrubbing your raw information. This means fixing typos, removing irrelevant parts, like website footers in a document, dealing with duplicates, or correcting inconsistent formatting. As a developer, you'll often write small programs, scripts, to automate finding and fixing these issues, ensuring your AI gets only the best quality food. Even good ingredients need to be arranged into a proper recipe. LLMs learn best when data is presented in a specific, structured format. The most common format for fine-tuning is instruction response pairs. Think of it like a Q&A. For example, instruction. What is the capital of France? Response. Paris. As a developer, you'll transform your clean data into these pairs, so the LLM clearly understands what it's being asked to do and what the correct answer or action should be. Sometimes, you don't have enough ingredients to make all the dishes you want. Data augmentation is a clever technique where you create new training examples from your existing data. For instance, if you have, "How do I reset my password?" single quote, you could automatically generate, "Can you tell me how to change my password?" or password reset instructions, please. This gives your AI more variety to learn from, making it more robust without needing to collect entirely new raw data. Developers often use libraries or write scripts to perform these variations systematically. Before the grand opening, you'd test your recipes, right? Data validation means doing a final check to ensure your prepared data is high quality and free of errors. Then, you've split your data into 3 portions. Training data, what the AI learns from. Validation data, what you use to tweak and improve the AI during training. And test data, what you use to evaluate the AI's final performance, unseen during training. This ensures your AI isn't just memorizing but genuinely understanding. So, what's the secret sauce we promised? It's the painstaking, meticulous preparation of your data. An LLM is only as smart and capable as the data you feed it. High quality, clean, well-structured, and sufficient data directly translates to an AI that is more accurate, more reliable, and better at performing the specific tasks you've fine-tuned it for. As a developer, mastering data preparation gives you incredible control over the intelligence and utility of your AI applications. For a developer, data preparation isn't just theoretical. It's hands-on coding. You'll use tools like Python scripting, possibly leveraging libraries like pandas, for data manipulation, are custom scripts for text processing. You'll write code to read raw data, clean it, reformat it into instruction response pairs, augment it, and split it. This active involvement gives you the power to sculpt your dataset precisely, ensuring your AI chef gets the best possible training to cook up amazing results. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.